everybody, it's Anne here from positivelypapercraft.co.uk and I'm back with another tutorial, and today I've got a really sweet and just cute little box, and I came across this on another demonstrator's blog, and I will put the link down below because I don't even know if I can pronounce it right, but I think the lady was called Stample Fantasy or Stample Fantasy, something like that, but I will put the link to her video in the description of this one. And it's just a really sweet little oval box, and I think it would be great for a little favour box or something, and it's really easy to make and you only need a tiny little pieces of cardstock, so I really like this. It's so cute and sweet. So that one's made in Foil Frenzy, and I've used some pool party card and ribbon. This one we're going to do in Sweet Sugar Plum, and the measurements will be in centimetres, I'm afraid. If I can work them out in inches, I'll put them on the blog post. So you need 2 pieces of card. They both need to measure 19.5 centimetres long, and this one is 4.5 centimetres wide and this one is 2.5 centimetres wide. And I've got 2 of the layering ovals. This is for the top and the bottom of the little box, and these ones measure 2 7/8 by 2 7/8, and then I've just cut some various other ones for the top of the box. Obviously you don't have to put them on because you can't see any of the joins of the box, but I just wanted to decorate them with that. So we're also going to do a little bit of heat embossing as well this time, and I'm going to use the stamp set, which is Awesomely Artistic, and unfortunately this is going to be retiring, so if you do want this I would get it now while it's still around. And we're going to use the big stamp here and also Friend. So I'm going to just do them both the same. So I'm just going to wipe them both with the embossing buddy. And I'm going to emboss them with silver powder. So I've got the stamp mounted here. I'm just using some Versamark ink. Okay, so there we go. That is absolutely beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. So that's all that's done. Now if we take our trimmer and we are going to score both pieces the same on the short side at 1 centimetre, which is just this line down here. Okay, So just line it up there and then just score at 1 centimetre. Okay, and do the same with this little tiny one, which can be a bit tricky, but if you just line it up there and then put that down and then 1 centimetre again. Okay. And then we're just going to fold on that score line that we've just made. And then what we want to do is take some tear and tape, and we want to pop it just under the score line on both pieces. Okay, and then what we're going to do again on both pieces is we're going to cut kind of like just little points out like this, but don't cut to the top of the tape. Leave a little piece, because otherwise we're going to have to peel all the tape off in like in each tiny piece. So don't take it all the way to the top. So just do this all the way along on both pieces. Okay, so I'm going to get on and do this because it will take forever. Just do that all the way along, and the same on this piece as well. Okay, so I'll do all that and I'll be back when it's done. Okay, there we go, that's all done. And all I've done is I've just took a bone folder and I've just kind of, wound the paper round just so it's easier for it to get into the shape that we need. And then I am just going to kind of fold these over a little bit. Okay, and then I'm going to take one of the ovals and I'm going to peel off the tape. Okay, and I'm just going to start by roughly just popping it down in the middle like that, and then I am just going to just follow around to the shape of the oval. Okay. And then we need a piece of tape down here. So I'm just going to cut a little piece of tape off. And that is just going to go just on there. Oh, it's actually really strong, this paper, this tape rather, not paper. Just peel the backing off. Stuck that on the wrong side actually. I'm going to have to make that one go in there now. Okay, and then no, I've still done it wrong. We'll get there. That is going to go over that bit, and I'll finish making a bloody pig's ear out of it. Kind of stick it in a sort of wrong place, so I'm just gonna snip a bit of that over around, which you can do if you don't get it totally in the right place, so don't worry about that. And there is our gorgeous little base, and then I'm going to do the same with the top. This time I'm going to just go around the box, just like this. And put a little bit of tape down the edge of here. Peel that off, and then I am going to stick this round here already. And just, well, best peel the tape off first. Coming off very well, is it? I think it's peeling the whole blooming tape off. Never mind. Right, and then just press them down. And then take our other oval, which is the patterned one. And then I'm just gonna kind of stick it on to the top. Wish the bottom had been as easy as that. Just press the bone folded down onto the little pieces that you have. And there's our lovely little lid. And again, if it's not 100% right, you can just trim round. And then hopefully the lid should fit. carefully, she says. Oh damn, why doesn't it go on? There we go. I think that is just such a cute little box. And then to decorate it, I've got my silver foil is going to go on the top. Get some dimensionals. So that's going to go on to the top of the box. Okay, that's going to go on to the silver foil. And then the little sentiment is going to go onto the sweet sugar plum. And as I said, I think these would be great little favour boxes. So that's going to go on to there. And then that's going to go on to there, which says friend. Like so, and then that's going to go onto the box, and then we've just got to stick a little bit of ribbon round. Well, you don't have to. That's just going to go on there. And that's so pretty. It's like a kind of sort of mini little hat box, I think. And I've got some of this Whisper White even. And what I'm going to do is take some more of the tearing tape, and I'm kind of going to, about halfway around on the lid, I'm just going to stick the tape so that I can keep the ribbon stuck without it just flapping everywhere. Just kind of try and get it even around the lid, and then about halfway I'm just going to cut it off. So I've got tape just like that, and that is what's going to stick the ribbon. Let's peel the back in, and then I want to keep enough to tie a little bow. So I think I'll go for about that much, and just go all the way around. And again, we want to keep some for the bow. Out the way. Isn't that just absolutely gorgeous? And there is the little first one I made, so all the info will be on my blog. So I hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll be back again on Sunday with another tutorial. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye for now.